Say something else. Say something else. Didn't I say be quiet? Huh? Be quiet. Quit talking back. Quit talking back. You heard what I said? Be quiet, Cinnamon. Sit down. You better sit down and shut up. Shut up. Don't say nothing else. Shut it up. You want to go outside? Huh? Quit talking back. Now be quiet. You just sit there. Don't say nothing else. Nothing. You heard me? I said don't say nothing else. Now, what'd you say? What'd you say? You better just sit there. That's what I thought. Bye. Bye. You mad now? Well, you can turn your head on me all you want. I do not care. I don't care. You can't stare me down either. That's what I thought. Cinnamon. Now, go to sleep. That's right. A dog with an attitude.